Dear children, now I will explain other tags in HTML. For that, first you want to open Notepad. So we can search Notepad. You can use either Notepad or Notepad plus plus also. Here I am using Notepad. Notepad window is open. Here we can start to type the code. So first we are starting with HTML. HTML is case sensitive, so you can type either capital letter or small letter. Both have same effect. So starting with HTML, then we can give head. Inside the head tag, want to give title tag. Title means which text we are giving inside the title, that will be displays the title bar of the browser window. Okay, so here I am giving as image insertion. Image insertion as the title bar I am giving image insertion, and want to close the title, then want to close the head tag because title is coming inside the head tag. Then head also close. Now we can start with the body tag. These are the four primary tags of HTML, that is HTML, head, title and body. Now here we can start to type the content what we want to display in that browser window, that you have to type here. Okay, now in that itself we study that H1 to H6 are using as head for headings we are using H1 to H6. H1 is the biggest one and H6 is the smallest one. So I am using here H1 also. Now the text want to make it bold. For that I am open that B tag, then want to italic, so we can give I tag, and want to underline, so we can give U option also for underline. Then we can type the text what want to display inside that. Now I am giving hello. This is my first web page. This is my first web page. This is my first web page, and next we can close all the tags which are the tags we open. So first open H1 tag, that you want to close it by using a forward slash along with H1. Then want to close, sorry, B tag, that is bold for bold, B tag. Next want to close I tag. Next close this underline, that is U tag also. Now all the tags we close. H1 close it, bold, italic, underline also closed. Now we can give here BR command or break. Break is using for inserting blank lines. Okay, wherever we need space, we can give BR command or BR tag. Okay, now I gave to BR, that is two line will be leaving that browser window. Okay, now I am giving another sentence. I am trying to learn HTML. I am trying to learn HTML. Okay, then next I am giving this here. After here also, wherever we need, we can give break command. Okay, so to BR I gave, two line will be skipping. Next I am going to give that we study that four types of alignment also. That is, alignment means arranging the text in a particular order. So next paragraph, we are going to start a paragraph. So we can give P tag. P tag is using for paragraph. Okay. Then here I am giving that align. Align equal to alignment. You know the four types of alignment is left align, right align, center, and justify. So along with this align, we can give a value also. That is which type of alignment we need. Center align or left align, right align, any value you can give. That is four types of alignments are there. We can give any value. After giving, close that align tag. Okay. Next, I want to type that sentence that I am giving as welcome to sixth standard. Welcome to sixth standard. I will give another sentence. Welcome to sixth standard. After this, I am closing this paragraph because otherwise the next this option will be continuing to the next text also. That's why I am here closing here the paragraph tag. Okay, next one we can insert the image tag. That is which way what is img src, image short form is img. So we can give that img. Both way you can give either capital letter or small letter. Along with img we should give that src, means source, from where computer want to select that particular file. That also we can give. Now we can give the path inside the codes. Okay, so how we can select that codes now? Now I'm clicking the cursor here and minimize the screen. Minimize the screen, and now I want to here astronaut one picture is there. This picture I want to display in that one. So right click on that picture image. Then we can select the option properties. Select the option properties. Again clicking the right mouse button on the image and select properties. That is the last option. Properties I selected. Then we can see that location, that is from where this file is situated. We will get that is location. We can select this location. Just click and drag and click the right mouse button and select copy option. Okay, now I select copy. Then this want to paste in that is that notepad window. Here. Now click the right mouse button again and select paste option. So the same, that source will be copied. C colon users HP desktop. Now we can give the file name also. The file name is astronaut.jpg. That is the extension is JPG. We can close that one and we can close this tag also. Now we close the tag also. Okay. Then this is image insertion. Now we can the same program we can modify. Just a minute. Now I am going to close this by giving close forward slash body tag and want to close HTML also. Now I close the HTML tag also. After this, what want to do? We can go to file menu and select save. At the beginning, there is no change for save and save as. If you are selecting both option, we will get the same window. Now we can select the desktop itself. Then file name want to give it. Now I am giving a file name as sixth standard. Sixth only I gave. Along with that, there's an important point here. You should remember that along with the file name .html, this is compulsory. HTML or HTML want to give. Otherwise, that document, your document will be saved as a Word document itself. That is not a display in the web page. So that is compulsory to give .html along with the file name at the time of saving. Now I click save button. Our file is saved. We can check whether that file is there or not. Sixth.html. Here we can see that browser. Here I am using that browser as that is Google Chrome. So we can use that we can see that symbol along with that file name. Now I double click on that browser window. For opening this web page, no need of internet connection. Okay. So now listen here. That picture is not inserted. We can adjust both these pages, that is both windows. This browser window, at the same time this notepad window also we can arrange in one screen itself by dragging this way. Just drag to right side. This also we can do like this. So here astronaut spelling is not wrong, that's why picture is not inserted. So now we make a changes. After each changes, go to file menu and select save. Then go to the browser window, just refresh or reload. Two options, sometimes it is refresh or reload. We can click on that one. Now we can see that picture is inserted on this screen. Okay, browser window. So here I gave the head text as hello. First onwards, image insertion as the title bar I gave. You can see here on the title bar. Below that, hello. This is my first web page. I used that hello is that H1. So that is a full will display in the big one. That is H1 I used. For inserting heading H1 to H6 numbers we can use. H1 is the biggest one. While using H2, H3, etc. that size become reducing. Then below here after this one, so apply bold, italic, underline, all the font styles for this sentence only. Below that two sentence break I gave, that's why leave space. Again next sentence is displaying I am trying to learn HTML. Okay, now next paragraph I started with, that is welcome to 6th standard, that I gave alignment as center. So this the text is displayed on the center of the screen. Okay, below that we can see that picture, astronaut picture I added there, that also displayed here. Okay, now we can modify the same code. For that we can resize this window and go to the, again we can open the notepad window and we can modify here. Now I will show, instead of H1, if we are giving H5, what will happen? Now I give H5 and go to file and select save. Again we can refresh or reload. Now see that we can see the sentence, hello, this is my first web page, that is size become reduced. This is a use of H1 to H6 heading numbers. Okay, so we can use any number. Now I use H3. Then next one we can modify this picture by adding the size and height also. Okay, so along with this one we can give width is height equal to HIGHT. The image height and size also we can change it. Image height equal to 100 I am giving. Any number we can give, that is if you want to make it big or smaller, according to that we can change the number. Then next width, that is width of the image, width is equal to 150 I am giving, and close the double quotes. Then alt also, the alt is used alternate, that is sometimes the image is not able to display, that time the text will be displayed if which text we are giving along with alt. Alternate, that is a short form is alt. Okay, so now I am giving that width and height also, that then you can save that one, save this file. Then we can check the browser window, reload this page. Now see, you can see that image size is reduced because I gave the height and width the 100 and 150. Then welcome to here, the heading we can see that our size also reduced because H3 I used. Okay, so this way we can change the height and size of the size and width of the image also. If you want to enter the text along, instead of that picture we are using alt all alternate, along with the alt which name we gave, the which text we typed there, that will be displayed instead of image. Okay, now by seeing this is not good because background color is not white only, so we can change the background color, that is for body bg color equal to Anyone we can give red or yellow, blue, etc. Now I give red. Again, we can give save version. We can refresh this window. Now you can see that a red color is applied on that. Clear? Okay, how can you change the background color? Any color you can give, but you should remember that the spelling of color is not COLOUR. In computer, we are using COLOR. Okay, background color BG color you can type. Body space BG color. COLOR. That is the spelling of color in computer. Okay, now I think I'll clear this. So we can add one more tag here. That is the same picture, same code we can modify. No need of typing again and again. So after this we can give break. To break I have. Next link. Link I told now anchor tag is using to for linking. Link means that is the short form of anchor tag, anchor tag is a tag. What is the use of this? The search is to move from one page to another or to a different websites. To move to this anchor tag is, that is a tag is using to move from one page to another or to move from on to move on a different website, not the same website to another website. That also this anchor tag is using, or to move one page to another page with the same website. That also we can use same website. Okay, or to move from one section of another to another document within the same web page. So within the same page, same web page, within the same website, or maybe to other website. This is the use of anchor tag or a tag. Now we can check how it is working. So for that a href, that is the attribute of, that is hyper reference. That is the short of href. A href equal to, now I am giving what I want to give. Now I want to open that Google. So https, that path you want to give. Okay, https, then www.google.com. That is the path to open Google. www.google.com. Now we can close the double quotes, and after this we can give the text type. That is when where want to that mouse pointer displayed on the text, then only we can go to the other website. Okay, so which text you want to display here. Now I am giving that click here to go to click here to go to Google. Click here to go to Google. Now I am closing that anchor tag by forward slash and a tag. Closed. Again, if you want, we can give BR break also. After each changes, don't forget to save the changes, and after changing, we can check the web page browser window and refresh or reload. Now you can see that color we can change, then also it will be displayed because of the same color that tag is not visible. Now just a minute, I change the background color. Go to file and save it. Here refreshing. In this window I didn't close that tag, that's why not display. So I close the tag once again. Go to file, save it. Now we can refresh it. So here you can see, click here to go to Google. So now I am clicking on here. Before that, I want to confirm whether internet connection is. For opening and viewing the web page, no need of net connection. Okay, then this is the link. So you can see that when I am moving the mouse pointer here, it is mouse pointer itself. But when I am going to here, clicking on the link, hyperlink, you can see that text is displayed in blue color. Click here to go to Google. That is, we say unvisited web page, unvisited link is underlined and display in blue color, but while visited link will be displayed in purple color. Now it is in blue color because we didn't visit that site, okay, or that link. So the mouse pointer is automatically changing to that hand symbol. Now I am going to click on that one. What is option we gave there? When we click there, we can go to Google. So now look at the screen. Now Google is opened. Okay, we can do that things whatever we need. Clear now? You can see that Google window here. Now I am maximizing this one. Sorry, restoring this one. So we can go back. So I think it is clear how to do that linking also. Now one more option is there. That is superscript and subscript. Superscript means the text that appears top, that is super top. For that, sixth standard, we can type that sixth first. Then which text you want to display in that super SUP, that is the superscript short form. There want to display TH sixth standard. Okay, then we can close that super tag, that tag superscript sixth. Now I am giving standard. Sixth standard. Then we can give break. Okay, 2 break I am giving. 2 break I give. Next we can check that subscript also. For example, H2O. You already know now. For that we can give that H2O. For giving H, no need of directly we can give H. Then 2 want to give a subscript. So open the tag subscript. What want to display inside that is subscript? That is 2, H2. Okay, 2. And this tag want to close it. That is subscript want to close it. And after that want to display O, H2O. Now after this we need a break also. So we can give break. Okay, now we can save that changes. Clicking save button or Control S. Then we can refresh that website. Now you can see here sixth standard that TH is displayed top of the normal text. This is known as superscript, and H2O, that 2 is coming down, that is subscript. It is displayed below the normal text. This is known as subscript, superscript, subscript. So I think clear all this one. Okay, now image insertion also over. Then along with the image tag we can give that. So attributes also, now all options over that I think. Mark also there, one more option is there, mark. So we can give here before the sixth standard align. So mark tag, mark this welcome to sixth standard. After this want to close this tag also, mark means for highlighting that text, which text we are giving inside that mark, that will be highlighting. P tag is using for paragraph, mark tag is after that save it and go to refresh it. Now you can see welcome to sixth standard, that is highlighted. Highlighted means you can see one yellow color displayed on the over the text. Clear now? So that is the use of mark tag. What is the use of mark tag? Mark tag is used to highlight the text. Once again, if you want, we can give that background color. Once again, I will show that is BG color. Color spelling, don't forget COLOR. Color equal to blue. Now I am giving as blue and close. Save that one. Save the changes and refresh it. So now I think blue color applied. Any color you can give, yellow, blue, whatever it is. Okay. So when I am moving the mouse pointer over the link, over the, that is attribute anchor tag, that the mouse pointer automatically changes to hand symbol. We can, when we are clicking on that one, that suddenly changes to red color, that is purple color. When we are clicking on that one, automatically Google is opened. Now Google open. Okay, if you can do anything, or you can go, I'm going back. So now I think almost all clear about different tags in HTML. Going to close.